Hi, this is Jake at Optery. Ready to remove your information from CourtCaseFinder? Follow these quick steps. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. Go to CourtCaseFinder.com. Scroll down and click Do Not Sell Share My Personal Information. Enter your name, state, and city, then click Submit. Check the box to confirm you're not a robot. Find your record in the results, then check the box next to it. Click the red Remove Data button. If you have more than one record, you'll be able to repeat this later. A new window will ask for your email. Fill it in, complete the CAPTCHA, and hit Submit. You'll see a confirmation message. Check your email to finish the removal. If you have more records, click Back to Result and repeat steps 3 through 5. So open the email from CourtCaseFinder and click the link to confirm your request. You'll see a final on-screen message. Your info will be removed from the site. Now, for residents of California, Colorado, Connecticut, Utah, or Virginia, follow these state-specific step-by-step instructions in opting out of CourtCaseFinder. Scroll to the bottom of the CourtCaseFinder homepage and click Your Privacy Choices. Under Exercising Your Data Subject Rights, click the Here link. In the form, choose your state, check Myself, and delete my information. Enter your name, email, and reason for opting out. Fill the CAPTCHA and hit Submit. A confirmation screen will appear. Now check your inbox for the email. Open the email and click Confirm Email to finish the process. You'll see a final confirmation and your info will be removed from CourtCaseFinder. Congratulations on opting out of CourtCaseFinder. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to Optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.